Today we are practicing grasping sparrow's tail or grasping bird's tail. Step out with the left and open the door. 50-50 Wuji position. The upper movements are like holding the ball. We turn to the side. One hand goes up, one hand goes down a little bit as we kind of carry the ball turning to the corner up. And then this is the part that probably looks like grasping a bird's tail. As the hands float down, like the ball floats down, as we turn, the body movement moves the hands to the side, rolling back and up, reinforcing, turning, and pressing. The hands separate. We sink and push. If we hold the ball, turn to the side, grasping bird's tail. That's the upper body movement. We already practiced the lower body movement. Moving into the bow stance, shifting our weight forward and back. We're going to add turning to that, and we're going to add the hand movements. So if you shift your weight to the left fully, turn out the right, come in and step. Hold the ball, left hand on the bottom, right hand on top. The right hand is going to go out with the right foot, warding off, coming up, rolling back, coming up, pressing forward as the weight shifts forward, separating hands as the weight shifts back. Weight shifts forward and we push. And then we can step back, hold the ball, turn out the toe, and we can grasp bird's tail on the other side. And we can put hand over hand for the transition. Inhale. Exhale, shift our weight. Turn out the foot. Hold the ball and step in. Step out. Up. Back. Forward. Sink. Push. Hand over hand. Inhale. Exhale. Step in and hold the ball on the side. Step out and grasp the bird's tail. Back and forth, back and forth. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Grasping sparrow's tail. Now let's practice grasping bird's tail side to side. It's hard to see from this front image, so let me turn to the side to show you. If I am going to go in this direction, I have to shift my weight, step in, then I have to hold the ball on the side. I can't step in line with my heel. This is not very comfortable. I have to step back so that as I go to the front and adjust out this foot, I am square. My hips are in line with my feet. Making small adjustments, I go up, shifting back, going forward, back, push. And then I go to the other side. So I sit back, turn my whole body, twisting this foot in, turning to the front, sitting down, holding the ball, stepping in, stepping out, and then I can go in the other direction. So let's do grasping bird's tail, left and right. If I shift all my weight to the right, hold the ball, step in with the left hand on the bottom, step out as I turn with the heel on the back of my yoga mat, forward. I go up and turn out this back heel so I can put my weight down on it as I sink back and roll back. Reinforce, shift my weight forward as I press, separate my hands, sit back, down and up as I push. Now, shifting back, turning, hands circling in to hold the ball as I step in the other direction, up, back, forward, back, push, turn, grasping bird's tail from left to right. Inhale up, exhale down, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Inhale, exhale. Close the door. Thank you so much.